sun up on the concrete, hear the squeak of the shoe. Another day, another hustle, vision breaking through from the streets of Prince Albert. Hear ball bounce hard, every single dribble, playing our own card. We learn to fight for inches, learn to rise and fall. Had to earn our stripes, answering the court's call. Sweat in every practice, fire in the soul, building something bigger, taking back control. We ain't just players, we're a force united. See, a brotherhood unbreakable for all the world to be. More than just a name, it's the heart within the game. When the lights are on, we scream it loud, proclaim. We are Parma, hear thunder roll. We are Parma, every single go-go. From the to the baseline, standing tall and true. We are Parma, and we're coming in for you. See the past, connect the teamwork sharp and clean. Defensive walls we build, the strongest you have seen. Sharing the assist, celebrating every score. This ain't just a team, it's what we're fighting for. From rookie to the vet, every spirit intertwined, leaving doubts behind us. Competition on our mind in the heat of battle. Through the triumph and the pain, our bond grows strong. Go washing out the rain. We are Parma, hear thunder roll. We are Parma, every single go-go. From the to the baseline, standing tall and true. We are Parma, and we're coming in for you. This ain't your tournament, not just a club at all. It's the spirit of our city, rising up to some free.
All led to this. Urban Soul Series. 10 teams, 1 championship. Who will be crowned?
This is Don from Prince Albert Basketball Association. I would like to welcome you all to our Haba Mayor's Cup. This is our season 6 and it's very exciting. I'd like to thank all the teams. We have 8 teams today for this tournament. We are very thankful and grateful for their support of this tournament. And the main goal of Haba is just to bring joy, bring community togetherness to the game of basketball.
I remember the first day that I came to the gym. I actually walked in with a bunch of Filipinos coming in, and they're playing ball. I asked to run with them, and I went up to Don, and I don't think he was gonna say no to a big padded up native. So other than that, it's been nothing but love, and they accepted me as one of their own, and that's all I could ask for. So hopefully we can carry this on for future years and go from there.
they're getting tired. They're older. The old guy. No. This later. Yeah. Yes. Number 5 is good, eh? Willie, that's Willie Murdoch. Yeah, he's about 6 years old. That's late, yeah. That's good. Bit of a break. Oh, really? You can't have intense games every
Alright, saan si Al?
nakilala yung referee. Nag-walkout eh. Nag-outout.
Boys, talaga? First foul, blue 19. First team foul, 2 free throws for number 4. First one's good, second is missed. Number 16 down low. Yes, that's the nice matchup. Good hands, number 4. Free ball. Number 4, yes sir. Take number 12 for 2 points. Number 7, slicing up, no good. Rebound 19. No good. No good.
Down at the baseline, out of bounds.
Oh. Good hustle. Pull up. Off the glass, 2 points. Number 2. Score 9-2. Ages. Good defense. Number 3, yes sir. Good start by 8. We would like to thank our sponsors, Open Soul, Underground Performance, and Emerge Sportswear. Also, the presence of Mr. BTK. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. Thank you so much. We are very honored to have you around. Caleb Bengan, 3 points. Score 12-5. Whoa, what an answer by number 11, 3 points. Gonna si Josh. Number 11, first personal foul. Ito nga eh. Bagong dental to eh. Two, 16. Number 12, take the 3. Rebound by number 7. Back to 2. 20. Rebound by number 11. 7. Fake drive. Drop to number 2. Fake pass. Take a 3 points by number 2. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 15. 5 seconds. Jump down 16. Short. Rebound by number 24. Pass to number 3. 3, drive. Kick out to number 24. Take the 3. Too strong. Rebound by number 7. 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Cross, drive, bump, spin. Steal by number 3. Number 7. Alley-oop to number 2. Number 12, pass to number 0, take the 3, 2 points by number 0. Same ball. Timeout. EDM. Score 18-19 in favor of AJ's Construction.
Oh shit! There! There! Ba't yung dahil natin mamali siguro pa tayo.
Back to the ball game.
Kuya, ito ba? Ito ba tawag? Wala na. O ba't dito lagi nakapost? Oh.
Backcourt violation. Fourteen seconds. Time remaining 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Foul. Foul by number 24. 24, second personal foul. Third team foul. Time remaining 4 seconds. Two points by number 16. And the first quarter score 18-11 in favor of AJ's Construction. And start of the second quarter.
Tamang gold, ano lang siya, yan, gold. Boss Toyo lang siya. Tawa nga rin siya dyan. Caretaker siya ngayon, pare.
Number 3, pass number 24. Fake. Pass number 2, jump shot. Jump shot. 2 points by number 2. 15 pass to number 7. Number 7 drop pass, foul. Foul by number 0. 0.
Ano nga, 0?
First personal foul by 0. 16. It's still by number 7. Number 3 drive, 2 points by number 3. See again by 24 Euro. No good. Rebound by number 7. 15 cross, spin, fade. Basket is good. 2 points by number 15. Number 3. Foul by number 15. 15 first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots.
Mga si ano? Technical?
Substitution. Rep. Substitution. Substitution. Number 19 in, 16 out. Substitution, 12 in, number 7 now. Hard drive with foul. Number 3, first personal foul, second team foul.
Thank you, Boss Don. Oh. Hey, ref. Ref. First shot. Yeah.
Number 2, 10 seconds to shoot. 2, kick up to number 0. Drive hard, 2 points by number 0. 6 minutes. 0, blocked by 0. Foul by 0. Substitution. Number 2, jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 7. Pass to number 12. 12. Drive. Kick out to number 19. Number 19. Spin. Steal by number 11. 11. Pass to 0. Back to number 11. 11. Spin move. 2 points by number 11. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 12, hard drive with foul. Foul by number 0, substitution. 0 second personal foul, third team foul.
Yeah, basta.
15 seconds to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 2. Last touch by number 19. Time remaining 4 minutes.
27, pre. Oh. Oh, naubos.
15 seconds to shoot. Line violation, substitution. Number 4 in, number 2 out. Number 12, kick out number 7. Fake, drive, kick out to number 19. Number 12, back to number 7. Take the 3. 3 points by number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11, no good. Rebound by number 95. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by number 11. 11, bounce pass to number 7. Up and under, with a foul. Foul by number 11. 11. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution, 3 in, 0 out. Rebound by number 11. 7 drive, pass to number 95. 15 seconds to shoot, bounce pass. Number 4, jump shot, short. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, fake. Drive with a foul. Foul by number 11.
Oh, diba?
First personal foul, number 11. Fifteen, pass to number 11. 11, take the 3. Too strong. Rebound by number 11. Number 3. Cross. 15, take the 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. 11, drive. Kick out to number 15. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 12. 3 points. Too strong. Rebound by number 4. Number 11. Spin. Rebound by 7. Pass break pass number 19. No good. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. Number 3. Fake. Kick out to number 95, still by number 19. Then down. 2 points by number 19. "15 seconds to shoot. Number 3, drive. 2 points by number 3. 15. Spin, kick out to number 7. SC up in under, 2 points by number 7. Time remaining 50 seconds. Seven. Take a 3, too strong. Rebound by number 15. 15. 2 points by number 15. Still by number 12. Line violation, substitution. Substitution, number 2 in, number 95 out. 16 seconds, time remaining 16 seconds. 10, 5, Foul by number 3. Number 3, second personal foul. Penalty. Body shot.
Hindi, wag. Ito na yun. Semi.
And of the first half, score 32-25. Edmonton up by 7.
I wonder why I wrote a stop. Because I think it's broken now. It's not working. It's over. You guys are making It's not worth it. How do you know that? Oh! No one even texted me.
This is Don from Prince Albert Basketball Association. I would like to welcome you all to our Haba Mayor's Cup. This is our season 6 and it's very exciting. I'd like to thank all the teams. We have 8 teams today for this tournament. We are very thankful and grateful for their support of this tournament. And the main goal of Haba is just to bring joy, bring community togetherness through the game of basketball.
The first day that I came to the gym, I actually walked in with a bunch of Filipinos coming in, and they're playing ball. I asked to run with them, and I went up to Don, and I don't think he was gonna say no to a big padded up native. So other than that, it's been nothing but love, and they accepted me as one of their own, and that's all I could ask for. So hopefully we can carry this on for future years and go from there.
Hey, anybody lost their phone? Can you guys check your pockets? Maybe you guys missing a phone. Hey, screensaver. Nothing.
Just a road, like, or track.
Lost phone. Anybody?
Before we found it.
Start of the second half.
Mesay na yan. Pre, oy. Mag-picnic ka dyan.
All right. Number 15, pass to number 11. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 15, take the three. Too strong, rebound by number 11. 11, pass to number 24. Turnover. Pass to number 15, back to number 7, drive. 7, drive, spin, fade away, 2 points by number 7. Number 3, pass to number 2, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2, jump shot. Too strong, rebound by number 11. 0. 3 points by number 0. Rebound by number 2, 2 points by number 2. 19, no good. Rebound by number 24. Number 3, 15 seconds to shoot. Set and play with a foul. Foul by number 7. Number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution rep. Number 0, number 4 in, number 24 out. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 2. 10 seconds, number 11, take the 3. Too strong, rebound by number 3. 10 seconds. 5. Steal by number 15. 15. Pass to number 7, drive, kick out to number 11. Number 11, take the 3. 3 points by number 11. Number 4, drive. No good, rebound by number 15. 15, cross. It's spin, fade. Too strong, rebound by number 11. Number 2. Number 2. Is still by number 19. Number 19. Dunk block by number 11. Cool ball.
Putang ina, no. No shit.
Number 11. Pass to number 7. Kick up to number 0.
May poster sana ko na blanca. Eh, number 11, puta, face to face, 1-on-1. Yung number 19, oh, poster sana ko number 11. Ay, number 19.
No good. Rebound by number 15.
Make it rain, man. Huh? Make it rain.
15 seconds to shoot. Number 11 for 3. Back-to-back 3 points by number 11. Timeout. AJ's Construction score 34-36 in favor of Cool Boys.
Diretso, no? Wala ka sa team. Sabay. Pare, pantay na pantay. Ulap. Ako yung pre. Puta, 3 oras pa ako bumaba eh. Yan, pasalamat siya. Hindi, kakapit ako sa kanya.
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 5 minutes and 48 seconds.
Magkakatulong na ako, tanghali eh. O pare, para sa'yo kahit natin pa.
15 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Drive. Kick out to number 3. Number 3. 10 seconds. Number 3. Turnover. Football. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 7 up and under. 2 points by number 7. Round 4, pass to number 3. 15 seconds to shoot. 2. Try hard using the board. No good. Rebound by number 19. 11, take the 3. Short. Rebound by number 7. Hustle. Jump ball. Edmonton ball. Substitution. Substitution rep.
Leave it for a second. Hold it for a second. Okay, here we go.
Ball's 8. Number 4, speed. Key up to number 7. 7, take the 3. 3 points by number 7. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. So pass to number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Fade away. 2 points by number 15. Kick up to number 4. Number 4, pass to number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2, fake. Number 7. 5 seconds. Take the 3. No good. Too strong. Rebound by number 12. Drop pass to number 15. 15, post-up move still by number 4. Number 2, pass to number 24, the pass too strong. Substitution. Timeout. Timeout. Cool Boys score 37-40. Cool Boys up by 3.
Music, buksan mo, papasukin ako. Aray ko! Ayan. Natututo ka na, boy. Takin na kasi doon. Alam ko, susupukin ka, tutulungan ko sana eh.
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Both teams 2 timeouts left.
Ryan, pre, wala sa Maring Joy. Ay, putang na Daddy Breaker na yun yan.
Balls in.
Doggy, nakaw po yung akin.
15 seconds to shoot. Foul by number 3, third personal foul. Sorry? 24? 24? 4.
Okay.
10 seconds. In, out. Three, last touch by number. Last touch by number 3. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 50 seconds to shoot. Number 12, spin kick up to number 27 for 3, no good, tap. Rebound by number 15. 15, step back 3, no good, rebound by number 4. Still by number 27. 4, kick out to number 3, 3 points by number 3. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Last touch by number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Time. 11 using. No. Ayan na. Number 4. Pass to number 3. Number 3 setting the play. Pass to number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2, take the 3. Too strong. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, pass to number 7. 7, Hesse, drive. Pass to number 11. 2 points by number 11. 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 15, spin, using the ball, 2 points, by 15, 20 seconds, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5, 2 points by number 4. And of that third quarter, score 44-42 in favor of AJ's Construction.
Just repeat. Support na local. Tsaka si Willie, Kuya Willie Buntarat-tarat. Saudi boy. Saudi boy starter pack. Kahit hindi nakatapak sa Saudi yan, pero malangis. Saudi starter pack nga siya naka-Jordan.
No foul trouble, hey?
No foul. Yeah.
No.
Glitching again.
Fourth quarter.
Ano ba yung sabihin ng LS? Sabi ko na eh, ang aanin ko nga sa look.
Number 12. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Fake. Behind the back. Foul. Foul by number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. And quick shot. Short. Number 4. Foul by number 27. First foul by number 27. First team foul. 2 shots. Number 12, pass to number 19. Number 19, take the 3. 3 points by number 19. Number 2, drive, pass to number 3. Short, rebound by number 19. 15, pass to number 7. Pass to number 12. Fake. Turnover.
Oh no, oh no.
15 seconds to shoot. Number 2, jump shot. 2 points by number 2. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Number 15, bomb pass to number 19. Take the 3 again. Too strong. Rebound by number 7. 7. Pass to number 3. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Using the board. 2 points by number 2. 7 fake. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 12. 10 seconds. Number 12. Drive. 2 drop. No good. Rebound by number 11. Number 2, pass to number 3. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 3, pass to number 2. 10 seconds. Number 3 with a 3. No good. Rebound by number 19.
Yeah, middle, middle.
7 minutes. 15. Foul by number 11. Substitution. 11, third personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Ten seconds to shoot. 15 to drop. 2 points by number 15. Same. Number 7, drive. You see the board. 2 points by number 7. Ten seconds to shoot. Zero, kick up to number 27. 5 seconds. 27, 3 points by number 27. 7, take a 3. Too strong. Rebound by number 15. 15, pass to number 19. Nice pass by number 15. 2 points by number 19. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Five-second violation. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Number 15. Steal by number 4. Steal by number 0. Pass to number 11. Take the 3. Too strong. Line violation. (27) floater, 2 points by number 27. Oh. 15 seconds to shoot, number 3. Pass to number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul by number 27. Second personal foul, number 27.
Tapilok.
Number 2, fade. Jump shot, 2 points by number 3. 3 minutes. 11 cross, layup, 2 points by number 11. Lucio. Still third personal foul, third team foul. Number 3, quick 3, short, rebound by number 7.
Ulong.
15 seconds to shoot. 11. Still by number 3. Pass to number 2. Foul, basket. Foul by number. Who's foul, rep? Who's foul, rep? Rep? Who's foul? 7. Second personal foul by number 7. Bonus shot. Rebound by Sil. Last 2 minutes, 7 drive and a basket. Foul by number 4. Time out. AJ.
Yeah, one more. And then you guys will.
Thank you, thank you.
Ano nangyari ba? Yeah, 7. Oh, 4. There's 7 dito. Are you talking high? Yung nga,
Yung.
Galing. Ano nangyari ba ganun?
Back to the ball game.
Romans. You like that?
Bonus shot's good. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 2, drive, using the ball, no, tap. 24, take the 3, too strong, rebound by number 4. Last touch by number 2. Blue ball, substitution, number 7, number 4 out.
Yeah,
Let's go back to 140.
Yeah. It's a close game. You better fix it.
So was it close game this morning? Who's running the clock the whole game? Well, that's the rule. Under 2 minutes it stops. If you read the rules, you'd know that. There's local rules. It runs until
Foul by number 2. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Turnover. Number 2, drive, no good, rebound by number 11. Take the 3, short. Last touch by number 7. Time remaining 1 minute and 17 seconds. Foul, penalty, substitution.
You know?
Number 11, third personal foul.
11? Oo nga pala. Titignan ko to. Ay. Buong quarter ata.
Sanchez, good. 1 minute and 7 seconds. 27. 1 minute. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds, number 19. Traveling violation. 49 seconds. Substitution. Substitution. Number 3, step back 3. No good, tap, rebound by number 11. 11 pass to 0. 0 pass to number 12. And sportsmanlike foul by number 3. Substitution. Substitution. Substitution up.
Yung long hair yan. Yan, pre.
Ay, no, 7. No? 7. Kick out to 0. 0 pass to number 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Two points by number 7. 7 seconds, still by 0. 0 take the 3. Basket count. End of the ball game. The winner is Cool Boys.
Bossing. 15. Number 15. Ang blue. DeAndre, best player. Best player of the game. Hey, my guy. Yeah, we gotta win. Yeah. Hey, captain, need your sign, your autograph. Yes, sir. You're the captain.
Thank you guys. No, cookies. No cookies. I'm trying to lose weight.